welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me. Welcome to my new subscribers and welcome to my subscribers who's been with me a long time. And also, I'm very thankful for the people who just stop by and don't subscribe. But if you've been stopping by more than once, press that subscribe button. I'd be glad to have you. Or give me a thumbs up so I'll know that you came by. This channel, I will appreciate it because it really helps my channel. This week, I decided to plan using the Home Again paper pack by Echo Park. I had this a while back and I got it from Tuesday morning. Now, what happened this week is I was trying to load my video, and it just wouldn't load. So I have to reshoot it. So this is a reshoot, so you won't see me actually put my stickers down this week because I've already done it. So all I'm here today is to show you what the spread for the week looks like. So that's my spread for the week of October 3rd through the 9th. And I like it. I really like it. That paper pack really has some interesting items in it. I love the colors of it. I love that sagey green, the truck, the flower stand, the flowers, the stickers. I just love everything. And I think it came out pretty special. Sorry I didn't get to show it to you while I was doing it because the original video didn't load. It was some kind of a problem with it. But I'm glad you stopped by to see this. And now you don't have to stay with me so long because it's already done. And I already... I'm ready for the week to start writing my stuff down. So it took me a while to notice that it didn't load up. So thank you again for stopping by. Tell me if you like the spread this week. And do you, when you're planning, do you use anything besides like the sticker books and the kits that people put out, the planner kits? And if you were to use something, what would you choose to do a different type of a spread with besides using a book and a planner kit? So thank you very much. I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to be the reason somebody smiles. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Also press that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my channel. I think it says I'm 7 people away from 500. So if you can be part of that 7, I'd be so appreciative. So I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye for now.